Here we are, an hour earlier than normal, on a walk towards Chatsworth House, having stopped at the Wheatsheaf in Baslow last night. Brilliant place. Went to the Wheatsheaf. Unfortunately we hadn't booked a table, so we couldn't stop that long, but we had a couple of drinks and then crossed the road to the Devonshire Arms and had a couple of drinks there as well. And just on the way into Chatsworth Estate is this rather weird and lovely, like a kissing date thing, but it was specially designed by somebody for wheelchairs. So it's like a big rotating gate. I'll show you. Here we go. So this rotates. Not too far. Come on, Doug. Let me get. And then it rotates again so you can get out. Marvellous invention. There it is. We came up here last night and just walked the dog up towards the house, and there was some deer in the park. He was going absolutely mental for him, but I think they'll be asleep or something now, or sort of in the woods out of the way. It was just dusk last night, but there were about half a dozen of them about. In the woods up there you can just see a bit of a mast sticking up. There's like a bit of a lodge type place. We walked up there last time we were here. Bit of a view, and there you can just see Chatsworth House. You might not be able to see it very good because of the sun. There you go, see it between the trees there. And then looks like a picture of pavilion there. Yeah. Here it is in all its splendour. There's the house, Chatsworth House, and we're walking along the river. Beautiful. Beautiful place. He never gets anything, but he does enjoy looking. Just down from the house, further along the canal bank, is this weir. You can see the tower up in the hills. Back, like I say, we walked up to that last time. It's quite picturesque. Bit of a view from there because it's so high up, and the trails are all through those woods over there. Apparently there's a little lake and bits and bats to see. Further down the river is yet another weir. And if you look across on the far bank, you just see the heron. Then we do a bit of fishing. This weir is probably something to do with the old abandoned mill down just in the distance, just down there. I don't think Dougie's seen him yet, but he will have in a second. There's a load of deer about to cross the path. You should see him any second. He's a bit tied up with sheep at the minute. I think he's seen them now.
Some of them look young'uns, don't they?
Yeah. A lot of them.
There's Mum.
And Dad, look at Dad with big antlers. So here we are on the edge of the forest. No fence or anything, but just out of nowhere. Oh, there's a gate. And then nothing again. What's that protecting then? So this is the Wheatsheaf in Baslow, where we stopped last night. Just a pub car park, but very welcoming, very nice. Space for the motorhome right up the back there. Just watch this bit of a ramp on the way in. That side's fairly steep, this side's okay. And just up here on the side over there is freshwater tap. Here are some waste bins to dump your rubbish. But once you get up here, nice flat level car park. Just look out for the trees, but otherwise really nice, really good, very quiet. Great spot. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.